This review is of Reese's Cookie Skillet Kit. Peanut butter and chocolate chip cookie mix. Is there anything else? The ingredients. And you will have to actually prep the cast iron skillet by doing what's called seasoning. And these are the instructions. Strangely enough, they do not explain how to season it, but the back panel apparently does have it right there. And let's see, other ideas. And it has a bioengineered food ingredient. It's also got, oh yay, palm kernel oil and other crap. 1/5 of a package has 3 grams of fat, of which 2 are saturated, no trans fats, no cholesterol, 75 milligrams of sodium, 24 grams of carbs, of which less than 1 is a dietary fiber, 15 are added sugars, and 2 grams of protein. And here is the ingredients. So there's sugar, and then there's corn syrup solids, and dextrose, so that's more sugar. And then there's the lactose in the milk, and that's more sugar. And then, let's see, what else? We've got soy lecithin, which is an emulsifier. We've got salt. We've got palm kernel oil, which is bad for health because it's got the bad saturated fats in it. And more palm kernel oil. Let's see. And there's the milk again. More sugar, dark brown sugar. Yay, hooray. All right, well, let's cook it up and find out what it's like. And there it is. Isn't it a beauty? Now, I do need to ask for your help. Things have gotten pretty crazy in my life since December. On top of Amazon firing me based on false accusations and having my left shoulder joint replaced, and my car's catalytic converter is probably screwed up, and now my father just died yesterday. So if you can please help me out, okay? Like, subscribe, share, comment, and turn on notifications. If you want to help me financially, which would be really good because it's hard for me to find a job, given that I go to PT twice a week, every week, which makes it hard to find an employer that would be willing to take me on, given, having to, not be available during those times. It would really help. If you can afford to and you want to, please do a super thanks on this channel and or become a member on this channel and or go to patreon.com/GLENNMII and become a member there. Thank you. Now, let's see if it tastes as good as my imagination says it doesn't. Hopefully it tastes better than that. Now, my son worked very hard to season the pan for me and prepare this for me. It was very kind of him. He forgot something. He forgot these. So I put the chips on top, popped them in the oven for 5 minutes at 350, and then spread them all over the top. Like that. Now let's see what it tastes like. Hopefully, significantly better because, and this is not really a cookie. It is way too soft. It greatly resembles a pancake. And it's a failure. Nah. It's like eating a pancake. I can make better pancakes than that. From scratch. And make a whole stack for the cost of yeah, I'll give it a 4. Afia, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.
I need to ask for your help. Things have been challenging. whose life hasn't been challenging lately. So if you can please help me out by liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, and turning on notifications, that would be really, really super. Also, if you'd like to help me financially and you can't afford to, you can do a super thanks on my Glenn's Fast Reviews channel, or you can become a member there. Or if you prefer, you can go to patreon.com/GLENNMII and become a member there instead.